Hello, welcome to Iker's Projects. My name is Iker, and today we're gonna make a 10-minute pizza hack. And the question is, what is a hack? Well, it's when you put something new and different stuff, which makes it a hack, but it has pizzas because it's gonna be with pizza. First, we have this.
What is that?
It is a type of a bread that is really fluffy, and we're gonna get some sauce. But first, you need a big spoon, this big.
What type of sauce?
Tomato sauce.
And what ingredients are you going to use?
We're gonna have two different types of cheeses. It's any cheese you like or any pizza. We're gonna use green pepper and mushrooms and olives, and that's what we're gonna do. In the second pizza, we're gonna make a cheese pizza. Greek peanut bread. You could use any peanut bread you like. Tomato sauce, mushrooms, green pepper, mozzarella cheese, cheese blend. Now we're gonna get the tomato sauce. Then we get the big spoon. We dip it in. Now we're gonna put it on the bread. Now, if you see this part, you are gonna do this. Wait. What's up in that?
See? Keep going. More sauce. More sauce. Beautiful.
Nice and even. Now we're gonna put the mozzarella cheese on the pizza. Y vamos a poner este encima también.
Now the ingredients.
Now, but before the ingredients, we're gonna put another type of cheese. You could put both of the cheeses you like or only one, any way you like. ¿Y qué se llama esto otra vez?
Cheese blend.
And we're gonna put some cheese blend. And that's it. And now we're gonna put some black olives. That's enough black olives. Now we're gonna put some mushrooms. This looks good with the mushrooms. Now we're gonna put green pepper. While the oven is making the pizza. Now we have time to make our different pizza. It's the same and less different. There we go. But in the side, you can't put the sauces because that's where all the bread is gonna be. For you have a little extra that is crunchy. For it's yummy. A little more sauce and then it's gonna be ready as new. There we go. Now it's ready and new. But now we're gonna put the mozzarella cheese first. And
That's the cheese blend. Which one do you want to use? Mozzarella or cheese blend?
First cheese blend and then mozzarella.
Okay.
Now it's the cheese pizza. This time it's the cheese pizza.
Yummy. Is that going to be a yummy pizza?
It's just gonna be cheese.
And is cheese yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy. Let's see.
Just a little more and there. Mozzarella cheese. Just some because this looks like a way too much as the other cheese. And it's nice and good. And here we go. The pizza is ready. Let's take it out. Before you make the pizza, ask a grown-up to help you.
Okay, let's get it out. Let's see. This pizza looks really yummy.
Oh,
How does that look?
yummy.
Whoa, let's look. Now we can put the other pizza in, right? While we wait for this one to cool down.
While the other one is cooking, this one could cool down and then we're gonna cut it with the cutter. This is the cutter.
That's a pizza cutter, right?
Yeah.
How do you use it? You can
First-
try now. I think the pizza might be cool.
First, put it like, then cut it all the way like this.
Do you need help?
It could be ready, so now let's take out one. Take out the cheese string from the other one. Now, it's super duper good.
That looks really yummy.
Super yummy. You might want to make one, but that's not it. We have to we are gonna wait for the other one, but while we're gonna eat this one.
Yummy. Can I have a piece?
Yes.
Thank you. Wow, this looks so good. Yummy.
I know, right?
Yeah. This is so good.
Maybe we could share 2 more for the rest of our family. You might want to make one too.
Can they use any toppings they want, or they can only use these toppings?
Only if they want, they could use other toppings, or you can make this pizza hack.
Wow. Your pizza hack is really good, Iker. It's good. It only took 10 minutes.
Wow. That's a big, nice, crispy pizza. We go hack it up, Papa. Little stupid idea. Super duper yummy. If you enjoyed the video, you would like to subscribe and